Thank you for watching the video so far. I know it's just started, but I figure I'd get that out of the way. I'm going to be showing a video how to put this drive, 2.5 inch, this is an SSD, into this external case. But before we do that, do me a favor. I'm always curious about what time people are watching these videos. Leave a comment with what time it is, where you are. You don't have to tell me what day or where specifically you are, unless you want to. But leave a just what time it is there. 3 a.m., 9 a.m., 3 p.m., 8 p.m. So I'm always curious to see what time people are actually watching these kinds of videos. Anyway, and I know you're probably wondering, why is he putting an SSD into an external case? Well, I'm going to be using this to transfer information to make this a boot drive into a laptop I have. And I have an adapter where I could just do it and not use an actual case, but I decided to use the case because I have the case, it's brand new, and I hadn't used it yet. So, as you saw me just doing, here, easy, push it together. This one's a particularly tight fit. Takes a little bit of extra force, more than normal. Put the lid on, and we're done. I do have an unboxing video of this drive, so if you'd like to watch that, go ahead and check the channel. You can subscribe for more videos to come later. And it did come with this cable, which is a little bit different than the normal cables that the external cases come with. So, other than that, thank you for watching.